The Sony E-15mm F1.4 lens offers exceptional low-light performance, making it perfect for capturing stunning images and videos in challenging lighting conditions. With its constant maximum aperture of f1.4, this lens provides excellent depth of field control, ideal for landscape, architecture, and group photography. Its lightweight and compact design ensures easy handling and balance, especially with its refined internal focus mechanism that maintains constant lens length during focusing. Equipped with 2 linear motors, the lens delivers fast and precise autofocus, allowing you to capture fast-moving subjects effortlessly in both stills and movies. This lens, compatible with Sony E-mount cameras, is a versatile wide-angle option for content creators seeking high-quality imaging. The G-Lens wide-angle design offers dynamic perspectives and outstanding image quality, making it an excellent choice for both amateur and professional photographers.